friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. This is the fourth look for my Pride series. This time I did a look based on the colors in the trans flag, and I think it's really cute. I love this color scheme so much, and I'm just really happy to embrace and support the trans community. I'm just really enjoying this series. It's a lot of fun, really just showing some expression and some love to the LGBTQ plus community. I, again, am really happy with all the support that you guys have been showing. It's so loving and caring, and I adore it so much. Thank you for being so sweet. As I've said in the other ones, I am putting smaller LGBTQ artists in my description box of all these videos, so if you have suggestions or you yourself want to recommend yourself, let me know so I can put it in upcoming description boxes. I also will have the link to donate to the Trevor Project down below. They are an organization that helps with teen LGBTQ plus suicide prevention, and I think it's a wonderful organization, and I just wanted to include them as well. It was a lot of fun doing this trans-inspired eye look, and if you want to watch me create it, let's just move on to that part of the video. Hello, good morning. It's Swig Cat Betty Jean here, reporting for duty. I'm just partially through my makeup. I didn't feel like showing my foundation, concealer, and bronzing stick because I do that all the time. It's boring. But I figured I would start with my cream blush like I did in my last Pride video. This is the blush sticks from Colourpop. This is in the shade Mini Me. I'm obsessed with this. Like I said before, I need more colors of this. Which colors do I need? Which ones did you guys get that you think are beautiful? Because I want them. I want all of them. Now I'm going to take some of the highlight stick in Star Brite, and I'm going to pop that in the places that we would normally highlight, you know? I'm so sleepy today, and the weather is so rainy and gloomy, and I am not feeling productive at all. But I'm going to film, have lunch with Zane, and go to work for the night. And I think I'm on my own tonight. I think Zane's ditching me after he gets off work to hang out with his friends, so maybe I'll actually relax tonight. We will see. Today's Thursday also, just so you guys know, because I like you guys to know what day it is in my time. Taking that Pop Beauty setting palette that I always use to set my face lately until I hit pan, and then I'm ditching this. Just going to set my under eyes and T-zone. Now that I'm sufficiently set, I want a pinky blush, like a very pinky blush, so I'm going to take Lena from the Juvias Place Saharan 2 blush palette. And I'm just going to blush my life away. Blush is the best. And yes, I like to blush my nose because I think it looks cute. And plus I'm going to be putting my fake freckles, and I think having some blush across your nose looks cute with the freckles. Just patting over everything with my sponge so that it meshes all into the skin even nicer. I've been enjoying looking borderline a little sunburnt in the spring and summertime. I think it's cute. Now taking my freckle pen from Lime Crime, and I'm going to freckle my face because I love faux freckles and nobody can stop me. Although I'm not going to do a ton this time. I just want like a cute little sprinkle of them. And then I'm going to take the brush that I used for blush with no additional product just to lightly pat over things. And then I like to take my powder brush with no additional product to again lightly pat over things. And then I take my sponge to lightly pat over things. I like them to look like they're kind of under my makeup even though they're not. I'm still on my Jeffree Star Crystal Ball highlight kick. So that's what I'm going to use. It's also just right here and I don't feel like getting up to find a different highlight. So I'm just going to highlight my face as normal. Bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cheekbones. You know how to highlight at this point. Do whatever you want, use whatever you want. And now I'm just going to spray my face with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Face Mist. And now we're ready for some eyeshadow. I don't know exactly what we're doing. I have a rough idea. I do know what we're using though. We're going to be using the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette. I guess I'm just using this palette for all of my Pride looks, which is fine. I'm definitely going to be using the pink and the blue because obvious reasons. I think I'm going to dip into the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette for the shade Blue Blood to kind of deepen up my blue. And I think I'm going to dip into the Douce palette to take Creme to deepen up my pink a little bit. But we shall see. We'll see what happens. I am going to prime my eyes with my eyeshadow base primer in the shade Ignite from Sigma. And I'm not going to set it because I don't like to do that. I'm definitely going to start by taking Cold Shoulder from the Creepy Cute palette. I'm just taking a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start kind of fluffing that in my outer corner of my eye. I'm not dragging this all the way through the eye. I want this to stay on the outer part. Same with the lower lash line. I will tuck it just under that outer half, not carrying it through the whole way. I love the colors of the trans flags so much. I think they're adorable. One of the cutest color combos. And now I'm going to take Strawberry Milk from the Creepy Cute. It's the baby pink shade, but my hands are full, so I'm not going to pick it up. And I'm just going to start running that through the front half of the crease. And I will just take it until it kind of connects to the blue, but I'm not really going to blend them together just yet. I'm just swirling it all in that inner corner area, in my eye bag zone. Just really trying to blow this shade out. I'm going to go back and blend this blue one just a little bit more as well. And now going into the Blue Blood palette, I'm going to take the shade Blue Blood, and I'm pretty much going to do what I did before with the first blue. I'm just going to keep it slightly tighter, I guess I could say. Yeah, just kind of more towards the actual base of my lid. Not going to take it up quite as high. I'm just taking a teeny tiny little detail elf crease brush while I do my detail creasing. And then I'm going to take that brush that I used with that first baby blue color and just start blending things out so it's nice and soft and blended. And now I have an identical brush to that elf brush I just used that's clean, and I'm going to take Creme from the Juvia's Place Douce palette, and I'm going to do kind of the same thing. I'm just going to tuck it kind of right on that actual base of my lid and then start just kind of blending it out a little bit more, but not taking it out quite as high as that first shade. And then I'm just going to blend out that edge with that brush that I used with that first baby pink color. This is kind of where we're at. So far pretty simple, nothing too crazy. But I do want to lay down this Wealthy shade. I don't know if I've ever actually used that shade. Just to kind of open the space on my lid up a little bit because I want some white in the mix. And then I'm just going to take my corresponding teeny pink and blue brushes to do a little bit of smudging. And now I want to put some glitter on the center of my lid. This one's called Milky Way and it's from e.l.f. It's a very finely milled white glitter. It's so pretty. And I mean, I'm just going to pop it on where I placed that first white shade, the only white shade. I'm just taking that same shadow brush. I'm putting a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer right on the tip of it, just a little dot of it. And I'm going to pat that on the center of my lid. And then I'm just dipping into the cap and I'm going to just lightly dust some of that right in the center. I love this glitter because it's, like I said, it's so finely milled. It makes your eye look just wet. It's so pretty. Doing heavier focus right in the center and then trying to kind of feather it out as it gets towards the blue and the pink, which can be hard to do with glitter. You just have to make sure you're going in with just a light amount. And then I'm just going to take that brush with the smaller brush that I used with the blue with no additional product. And I actually want to deepen up my pink a little bit more. I think I'm going to take the pink from my blush palette because it's pretty pigmented. I'm going to try that and see if that helps. Because I need a good happy medium between being a darker, deeper pink and still being kind of a baby pink. Yeah, that's a lot better, I think. Taking just a tiny, tiny bit more glitter primer because I want to add a little bit more towards the pink side. And for my inner corner, I think I'm just going to use Cullinan from the Blue Blood palette because it's such a pretty inner corner highlight shade. And it's going to look lovely. And for my waterline, I think I'm going to try to be a little extra about it. Kind of like this. Like, I think I want to do the, what's this one called? Electric neon blue eyeliner from LA Girl and Seashell from NYX on the inner portion. So I'm gonna do that and see how it goes. I think that's kind of cute. I do want to just smoke out that blue just a little bit more. And really that's it for this. I think it's cute. I'm going to do the other eye now, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, my wig, all that good stuff, and we will finish this up. That's it. This is my final look. What do you think of my final form? I think this is really cute. I got this wig off Amazon and I already had this beanie and I just knew that I would pair these together and it would be cute and appropriate for the theme, you know? I went with my same Rouge and Rogue Miss Fairy lashes that I've been obsessed with. I popped the white Colourpop mascara on my lower lashes and I liked the effect that it added. And for my lipstick, I kind of just dotted the Jeffree Star 818 and Soft Serve across my lips and just used a brush to kind of mix it together into this combo because I don't feel like I had a color just like this. I might, but I also just can mix colors together. And this is what I came up with. I think this look is really pretty. I feel good in it. However, I am about to wash it all off because my hair desperately needs a wash and I don't want to get this wig wet and it's raining outside. So I'm about to wash this off, but regardless, I think it's a really pretty look. I would wear this again 100%. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I guess that's about it. If you're enjoying this Pride series, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I think I have 3 more left in this series, and I'm really excited about them. If you are not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, but it's usually 6 or 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.